Hello, friends. How are you doing? Nice meeting you. We have been seeing the different topics on contribution. I already told you contribution plays a very important role in taking decisions. Okay, so this is our goal is to maximize the profit, as you see in the financial management also, profit maximization, wealth maximization, etc. All this is very important because our ultimate purpose is to maximize our profit. Okay. So when your manufacturing concern is producing more than one unit or two, three products, then which product mix where you're there to focus on, where they have to focus less. So this product mix, different product mix, different sales mix will help you, will maximize your profit. The certain products will be produced less because their demand is different. Certain products have to be produced because demand will be more. But at the same time, though demand will be more, whether it contributes, whether it gives highest contribution, whether it gives highest, that is you have to see. Not just because everything in great demand, it cannot be taken that will give you the highest contribution. So we have to work it out which product mix will give you the maximum contribution, which product mix, so that accordingly you can take a decision. This is a very important session, and try to watch with me carefully. Here we have seen one example here. You are putting an example. We will see how it works. Okay. So in this case, lotion. So lotion and cream. Yeah, company is producing. So in this case, direct material is 20. The direct wages, other variable expenses are 6. Totally, this is total variable cost. Okay. So then again, the selling price per unit. Per unit means per bottle, per 50 grams, etc. Whatever you call it. Okay. 40 rupees per unit. Okay. So the cream. Cream is direct material is 18 rupees. Then direct wages is 4. Variable expenses is 4. Totally 30 per unit. So the always we will have to work it out per unit only. Okay, not totally per unit. Okay. So in this case, so fixed expenses is 1600. So there is a sales mix. See, 200 units of lotion plus 400 units of cream. Okay. Then 300 units of lotion and 300 units of cream. 300. Then another combination is 400 units of lotion and 200 units of cream. This is the thing. So you have to choose of these three alternatives where you have to focus on. So now we have to find the first step is you have to find the contribution per unit. Okay. So let us say lotion, selling price is 40, no problem. Then marginal cost, so you have to say 20 rupees, 32 rupees. Okay. So what the contribution I already told you, contribution in different is equal to sales minus variable cost. Okay. Sales minus variable cost, sales price is 40, variable cost 32. So contribution per unit is 8 rupees. Okay. Then this is one thing. So another thing is again cream, the selling price is 30. Okay. So marginal cost you just find out. Selling price, the marginal cost is 18, 426 per unit. Okay. So this is already written there. So what are the contribution? Sales minus variable cost. This is sales, variable cost 26. So 4 per unit. Okay. Now we are since having calculated a contribution per unit. Now you have to go the which combination you have to choose. So then you have to find out the contribution per mix. See, we are given three options now. So you have to find the contribution in particular one mix, second mix, third mix. So which product gives the highest contribution, then you have to choose accordingly. Okay. So fixed cost we will not take it account. Already told you fixed cost is to be ignored. The mix that gives the maximum contribution you have to choose. Okay. So in this case, we have already made a table there. Just find out it is contribution per unit is 8, contribution per unit is 4. Okay. So in this case, 200 plus 200 plus 400, 200 lotion, 400 cream. Okay. So now you can put 200, you get 400. Okay. So what is the total contribution? You just find out because 200 units of lotion, 400 units of cream. Contribution per unit is for cream, lotion is 800. So total contribution 200 into 8, 1600. Okay. Here 1600. Okay. Now it's okay. Now we will go for the second option 300, 300. So here put 300. Here put 300. So 2400, 1200. Okay. In this case, 400 of lotion, 200 of cream. So 400 plus 200. So how much you are getting? 3200. Here 800. Okay. So just total it up. Just total it up. These are 200, 3600. Here 4000. So now you decide. Now you decide which you have to choose. So first option, second option, third option. Third option gives the highest contribution. Third option gives the highest contribution. Now you have to choose third. So second is this, third is this. You got the point? So this is how you have to choose, because fixed cost we'll be just ignoring it. So contribution, because fixed cost is always a period cost. So I already told you, I already talked long enough on this fixed cost. It is subject to change and subject to management of fixed assets, and it may change. It is a period cost, so accordingly it will change. But what is where you have to focus on, only on contribution. So in this case, third option is giving 4000, so maximum contribution. So you have to choose 400, 200. So accordingly, you have to focus on lotion and cream. So 400 plus 200 will be the best mix which gives highest contribution. So accordingly, you can deploy your labor force, accordingly you can deploy your capital, accordingly you can deploy your machinery, and so that the shift also will be changed, because focus will be more on this 400 and the 200. Accordingly, you will produce it and give the maximum profit, and you will thrive in the business. So this is how we have to calculate fixed cost. We are not taking it up on. Okay. So friends, we will see in some other session. Till such time, thank you. God bless you. Thank you.